First challenge is to get that front tire off the ground. And to get that front tire off the ground, I have to jack up the bike. Okay, that's not something that's gonna work. How in God's name am I gonna get this underneath? Let's make a brace. Let's make a brace. Okay, where's my pencil? And our brace is gonna be about yay wide. About that big. We're gonna get that in there about this much. Just to cover the frame here. Get 2 of these. Sure, hope this length is good. Mark it down to 8 inches. Another 8-inch piece here. Hoping that this wood doohickey will help me get this bike jacked up. The challenge here is that there's this, the oil pan drops below the frame bars. So now the new challenge is, even though I have my brace, how do I get my jack that low? This side there's these other things that are in the way, like this radiator hose. What's wrong with my what? Bike. My book.
Bike.
The fork seals are blown out. These are forks. There's seals inside the forks. No, they're blown. The seals, these rubber seals, they blow out. So then you gotta replace them. And then the doggone kickstand. Anything decent from getting in there. I'll try from the front. On this side, there's just cable here is in the way. I don't wanna have to take it apart just to get it jacked up. Duh. I feel like I'm going about this all wrong. What I need to do is get the whole front of the bike higher. And the best way to do that is to roll the tire up on this board. Sounds good, huh? In theory. Did that give me enough extra lift? Let's see if that can get me high enough to get that block underneath. Hey, a little better. Nice. Yay. That is pretty high off the ground. Gotta balance it on this board. That's too high off the ground. The jack stands way over there, out of reach. Just out of reach. Woo! Yeah, that works out pretty nice. Not gonna say it was easy. There you go. And a 2x4, little bracket. Don't have to buy a jack stand. Woo. Look at that. It's a victory right there. Jack stand and a couple 2x4s and some ingenuity. Got that front wheel off the ground. There's a lot of tape on this. Looks like the downside. Come over here on this side. Make sure this gets underneath. Oh, if I straighten out the wheel, lift it up. That's enough. No. Gonna pull the bike over. It's not getting centered very easily. So now turning this. I'm gonna lift it. All right, the wheel's off the ground. Nice. Oh man, the doggone oil plug is here. So I need to move it this way, and then I can get the oil filter over here. And I think I need to move this further in, or at least on the other side. I think that's the best way to get the bike off the ground. It's good and steady. can't, got so many lines here I can't figure out. I can't tell which one's which. 1 cut, 2 cut, 3 cut, 4. Look at all these metals pieces in here. That is a recipe for disaster. Last thing I need is to hit my blade on one of these pieces of metal. And I'm not trying to buy any kind of special jack tool.